We know how to make sure that the aircrafts that have stopped here for a while to do the maintenance can be returned to the skies, the best place, and as quickly as possible. There you go. We are located at the Airline Support Baltic newest aircraft maintenance hangar. In these facilities, the company offers the full heavy maintenance of more than 22 aircraft types. It's the only company in the Baltic states that offers the full overhaul of engine CF34-3.
2 Airline Support Baltic new maintenance, repair and operation hangars with a total capacity of more than 4,000 square meters will increase the total Riga Airport MRO capacity by almost 20%.
We just came out from this aircraft maintenance hangar. Next to it, Airline Support Baltic is constructing the second one, which should be ready in just a few months. On the opposite side, there's a third one under construction, which has to be ready next year, just in front of the runway.